load your thread onto the thread stand. Make sure it's coming straight up to the thread stand eyelet, making sure that your thread stand eyelet is directly above the cone of thread and that your thread is feeding straight up and over to the machine. Bring your thread to the first eyelet of the uncurling device. Bring your thread around over the top. Bring your thread through the thread guide of the first tension. Bring it between the discs, making sure that it is secure. Now bring it over the top of the main tension, behind the post, in front of the pull-off, behind the post, and in front of the pull-off. Through the eyelet thread support, behind both these posts, to the right side of the block, underneath, and then through the top eyelet guide. So bring the thread through your upper eyelet, down to the lower eyelet, coming from right to left. Now to the needle bar take-up. Now we're going to be going through the center eyelet just above your pretension. So we're going to hook it behind this little retainer, and we're going to make sure it's between the two tension discs. Now we're just going to go through this bottom support, and when we thread the needle threads from front to back. You'll see on the needle there's a long groove on one side and a cutout called a scarf on the other. The long groove will face you when you're loading the needle, and the cutout, which is called the scarf, will face away from you towards the machine.